Choose quality over quantity and book this top-rated and best tech custom-guided tour of Silicon Valley. Join us now and discover the iconic tech firms, the people, and technology that changed our world.
Join us now and explore the world-famous Intel Museum in Silicon Valley. Go behind the scenes in the high-tech world of California's famed Silicon Valley. See what it's like inside an ultra-clean, highly automated silicon chip factory, and connect with technologies that give us new ways to work, learn, play, and communicate.
The Computer History Museum opened its new building in Mountain View, California, to the public and home to the largest and most significant collection of computing artifacts in the world. The Computer History Museum comprises nearly 90,000 objects, photographs and films, as well as 4,000 feet of catalog documentation and several hundred gigabytes of software. If you are interested in technology, you will love the exhibits that await you. Spend a day at the Computer History Museum.
The Apple Park and Visitor Center in Cupertino, California. Apple Park New Visitor Center offers a place to explore, learn, shop, and attend Apple sessions and special programs. Check out Apple exhibition that illustrate new architectural masterpiece in natural landscape, where you can discover inspiring programs happening every day at Apple Park Visitor Center. Headquarters store is well designed to offer a highly curated selection of Apple products, accessories, and experiences, and offering exclusive Apple and Apple Park branded merchandise, as well as learning programs and tips on how to use and master Apple devices.
This is a brief overview of Googleplex campus and headquarters in Mountain View. In California, Google is constantly being named as one of the best companies to work for. It feeds its employees 3 gourmet meals a day for free. It offers them an array of perks from yoga classes, in- and outdoor activities, to massages. The Googleplex, meaning a complex of buildings, is the corporate headquarters complex of Google and its parent company Alphabet Incorporated. But Google's campus expands far beyond its headquarters in Mountain View, but you will need to get familiar with Google headquarters and hidden gems before checking out Google's new buildings which spread out throughout Silicon Valley. The Ames Research Center is located in the heart of Silicon Valley and cordially invites you to tour its intriguing visitor center and learn about the NASA while exploring exciting NASA missions. During your visit, you can see a real moon rock, a Martian asteroid, learn how astronauts live and work in space and much more. Open 6 days a week, the Visitor Center features a large screen theater showing a variety of informative presentations and films to whet your appetite for NASA. The Ames Research Center is a major NASA research center at Moffett Federal Airfield in Silicon Valley. The Tech Museum is a family-friendly hands-on science and technology center located in San Jose, in Silicon Valley. The Tech Museum is focused on inspiring future generations with science and offers hands-on science workshops. The TechS strives to engage people in exploring and experiencing applied technology. Located between San Francisco and San Jose, in the heart of Silicon Valley, Stanford University is recognized as one of the world's teaching and leading research institutions. It is known for its entrepreneurial character, drawn from the legacy of its founders, Jane and Leland Stanford. Stanford is dedicated to finding solutions to big challenges and to preparing students to make meaningful contributions to society as engaged citizens and leaders in a complex world. Come visit beautiful Stanford campus, take a student-led guided tour, and get a feel for academic and student life. Explore this beautiful and huge campus and discover Stanford University top places including the main quad, the Oval Place, the Memorial Court, Stanford Memorial Church, Hoover Tower, Stanford Main Bookstore and Gift Shop, the Visitor Center, or even walk to the Cantor Arts Center and Stanford Live. Welcome to the Hiller Aviation Museum, an aircraft history museum located in San Carlos, in Silicon Valley. The museum was founded by Stanley Hiller in 1998 and is endowed by members of the Hiller family. It specializes in Northern California aircraft history and helicopter history. The museum is also an affiliate within the Smithsonian Affiliations Program. The Hiller Aviation Museum preserves the legacy of flight and provides inspiration for future generations. Over 40 unique and innovative aircraft are on display. The trip to Silicon Valley goes through this Hiller Aviation Museum. Corporation is a world-renowned, international computer technology corporation. They are based in Redwood Shores, in Silicon Valley, in California. They specialize primarily in developing and marketing database software and technology, best cloud-engineered systems, and enterprise software products in its own several brands of database management systems. San Jose is a large city located in Silicon Valley, surrounded by rolling hills, beautiful mountains where you can visit ancient forests of giant redwoods. San Jose is a major technology hub in the Bay Area, and it is locally considered as the capital of Silicon Valley. Since the day Elon Musk brought Tesla electric cars into the automotive world, he has been reshaping the way we look at the car buying process. One of the first Tesla showrooms on the West Coast is located right here in San Jose's Santana Row, the rodeo drive of Silicon Valley. The Tesla showroom features the newest Tesla models and technology and is a known hangout for the tech elite. Come and visit a Tesla showroom, get in one of these modern cars to get a feel of Tesla new technology. You will be amazed by these new electric cars. Let us take you to the best Tesla store and go inside a well-organized showroom